नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल पर। आप देख रहे हैं नेक्स्ट 9 लाइव। तो एक बहुत ही बड़ी खबर हाल ही के दिनों में हमने सुनी, जहां पता चला कि शिल्पा शेट्टी के पति राज कुंद्रा जो हैं वो गलत हरकतों में इन्वॉल्व थे। उन पे ये इल्ज़ाम लगाए जा रहे हैं कि वे अश्लील वीडियोस बनाते थे और उन्हें पब्लिश करते थे और वो इस तरह का धंधा काफ़ी समय से चला रहे थे। अब इस चीज़ को लेकर मुंबई पुलिस ने खुलासा किया है। मुंबई पुलिस का ये कहना है कि उनके पास पुख्ता सबूत हैं जो ये दर्शाते हैं कि राज कुंद्रा इस तरह के काम कर रहे थे। दोस्तों, अब इस चीज़ को लेकर अर्नब गोस्वामी भी आ चुके हैं। जी हाँ, अर्नब गोस्वामी ने भी अपनी आवाज़ इस पूरे मामले में उठाई है। अर्नब गोस्वामी जो पहले से ही बॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड के तमाम लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज़ करते आ रहे हैं, उन्होंने इस न्यूज़ के आने के बाद कहा कि क्या बॉलीवुड सच में इतना गटर है। जी हाँ, इसके अलावा आपको बता दें कि कंगना रनौत भी इस तरह का मैसेज करती दिखी थी। अर्नब गोस्वामी ने इस पूरे मामले को लेकर कई खुलासे किए। उन्होंने अपनी खास डिबेट करवाई जिसमें उन्होंने हर पक्ष के लोगों को बुलाया और इस पूरे मामले में बातचीत की। उन्होंने ये बहुत बड़ा इल्ज़ाम लगाया बॉलीवुड पे कि क्या बॉलीवुड को इस सारी चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता था, क्या बॉलीवुड इतने बड़े स्कैंडल के बारे में नहीं जानता था, और अगर जानता था तो अभी तक कोई इसके लिए आगे क्यों नहीं आया और इस चीज़ को रोकने के लिए सामने क्यों नहीं आया। तो दोस्तों, इसको लेकर बॉलीवुड की तरफ से पक्ष रखने वाले एक इंसान बताते हैं। आप आज की हमारी स्पेशल वीडियो में आगे देख सकेंगे। मैं आपको पूरा इंटरव्यू दिखाने वाला हूं। इस इंटरव्यू में आप देखेंगे कि एक शख्स जो है वो ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि बॉलीवुड में किसी को भी इस स्कैंडल का, इस रैकेट का कोई भी अंदाज़ा नहीं था और ये हम सभी के लिए एक न्यूज़ है, जिस पर अर्नब गोस्वामी उनको चुप कराते हुए बोलते हैं कि अगर उन्हें एक सेकंड के लिए हम मान भी लें कि इन चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता था, तो अब जब पता लग चुका है तो इसके बारे में वो आवाज़ क्यों नहीं उठा रहे, क्यों नहीं बॉलीवुड से एक भी शख्सियत इसके बारे में ट्वीट कर रहा है या इस चीज़ को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है। तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग अर्नब गोस्वामी ने डिबेट रखी और इस पे बातचीत की। इस पूरी डिबेट को एक बार आप खुद सुनें।
Ladies and gentlemen, some serious allegations on Shilpa Shetty's husband, a person called Raj Kundra. Shilpa Shetty's husband, apparently key conspirator in a pornography racket. There are serious allegations about the exploitation and misleading of people as part of this pornography racket. But the surprising thing is, once again, Bollywood completely silent. It's happening in their vicinity. Can they have an eyes shut wide approach? Eyes wide shut approach, ladies and gentlemen? And doesn't this flourishing pornography racket emerge as a blaring signal that it is time to regulate OTT platforms and apps more stringently? Let's debate.
At about 10:45 p.m. on Monday, Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra was arrested with the Mumbai police alleging that he appears to be the key conspirator in the case of creation of pornographic films and publishing on some apps. Today, a Mumbai court remanded Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra to police custody till the 23rd of July.
We have Ruchika Agarwal, former member of the CBFC. We have Sanju Verma of the BJP. We have Mukesh Tyagi, who is an actor and lawyer. Shoaib Chaudhary, film and TV producer. Akashdeep Sabir. Anupam Sanghi, who is a lawyer from Nagpur. And Uday Shankar Pani, filmmaker and panel member of the CBFC. Thank you, gentlemen. Akashdeep, I want you to open the debate with Sanju Verma tonight. Is this really something that nobody knew about? You know, this Kundra porn racket. But the general conversation is that this has been known, that there is a whole industry of pornographic, semi-pornographic, pornographic videos, pornographic films, and that especially it is doing the rounds on the digital medium. Tell me, is it possible this was all operating and nobody knew at all? Not just what Raj Kundra was up to, but the whole pornography racket that seems to be, up and running in Mumbai.
No, nothing, no connections.
Nobody knew.
I mean, I am a part of the industry from the second generation, and I know all that is happening around because the word does get to us. Now, this is shocking, and it's not something that we all knew and were silent about. In any case, pornography is an industry that exists in Hollywood also, but it's not called Hollywood.
Oh.
So here too, it exists and it's not Bollywood. And I would like him to be called as Raj Kundra, not as Shilpa Shetty's husband. I mean, why link her to this? He has a lot of answers to give. The police commissioner has come out and said that they have sufficient evidence, so that's reason for us to believe and take it on face value. A lot of answering on his part. As regards Bollywood, there is nothing that Bollywood knew about this racket, and it's just something that an individual decides to do with his certain group, and the whole link, as we saw in your pre-capsule just now, about how there was a company,
Why are they silent?
in London.
So the issues here are about the exploitation of women, the exploitation of talent, the exploitation. I don't know if you've read this, but serious exploitation of poor girls from economically weak backgrounds. I just am flabbergasted. I'm not saying Bollywood has organized this, but the silence of Bollywood, these girls from economically weak backgrounds, they would be forced to pose nude. Their videos would be uploaded on porn sites, mobile apps. The videos would earn lots of lakhs of rupees. These girls from economically weak backgrounds would be lured on the pretext that they will be given work in OTT platforms, TV serials, and apparently this is rampant. Oh, okay, so let me ask you one other question. No, one minute, just one minute, Akash. I'm saying, is there any significant person in Bollywood who's even tweeted about this today?
No,
Sanju, have you seen any? Why is that? Why is that?
You shouldn't be surprised that there's silence, Arnab. There have been even other issues that we've always discussed.
No, but I'm asking. Sanju.
This matter, it's a bit too early. Let's
I need to come in now.
Have to speak. You can't be silent. It is deplorable. It's disgusting. You can't remain silent.
Sanju Verma.
I want to come in now, please. Akash, I heard you, and I think you made some pertinent points. At least you acknowledge the fact that it is disgusting and this needs to be condemned. And I think that is a welcome move to start with. But I think Arnab made a very important point, and I'm so glad he's discussing this. Because I don't think too many mainstream channels are actually discussing this particular issue, though it's taking the Twitter world by storm for reasons what you will. First and foremost, I think that, there is this famous quote, the only thing worse than a liar is a liar who is also a hypocrite. And I would like to say that this applies to Bollywood to a T. Because I think here is an industry which is full of hypocrites. The first way of resolving an issue is to take cognizance of it. But I think Bollywood has institutionalized hypocrisy whereby anything goes. Be it drug trafficking, be it child pornography, be it exploitation of women, be it commodity.